Hi there, I'm Tracy, and I'd like you to picture yourself in this story. Imagine that you work tirelessly promoting what seemed to be the next revolutionary company in internet marketing. Things appear to be going great for you and your team. Then the concerned phone calls start coming in from members. I can't cash in my free week's vacation. I emailed customer support over a week ago and still haven't heard back from them. My commission is still pending in the back office. When will I get paid? And just when all these things start getting rough, the communication from corporate office stops. Like the company just disappeared. In a nutshell, that's what happened with TBI. And now, over 6 months later, people still cannot redeem their free trip that was guaranteed with the purchase of their membership. Many of us still haven't received our earned commissions, and there's still no response from customer support. All of these problems were compounded by the fact that we took a chance on a company that's not located in the United States. So even as seasoned veterans could not do anything to solve the problems, no matter how many international calls we made. And believe me, we tried. It's a terrible feeling when your hands are tied and your team is looking to you for answers that just aren't there. So all of us leaders got together and we had to make a tough decision. We could not continue to bring people into this business knowing that the company was not supporting its members. Now, to find out more about how we salvaged our teams, then enter your name and your email and phone number below. You'll be taken to all of the details, plus you'll get some great free marketing tools that you can use for any online business.